Hello, in this video we're going to share some tips on how to assemble this nightstand. But before we get started, here's a few things to keep in mind. Make sure you have a Phillips head screwdriver and just make sure all the pieces are facing the right way as you're putting it together and you'll do great. So let's get into it. Just a quick disclaimer, these tips don't cover every step, so make sure you follow the instructions and complete all the steps in order. On step 3, when we attach the rails to pieces 2 and 3, you really just want to make sure that you put the screws in the correct places. So the screws should be in these holes here. And the same on the other side, they should be in these holes here. Then for steps 4 and 5, we'll be attaching 2 and 3 to piece 10. And for this, you just want to pay attention to this unfinished edge. This needs to go up like this, and it should match up with the edge of these grooves here. So you can go ahead and put these together. Just like that, and then we can go ahead and put in the 4 cam locks. And then once we've got all those cam locks in, we're good to move on. On step 6, when we're attaching these legs to this part, we just want to make sure that we have these grooves on the same edge. And then also the feet go on the bottom part where the rails are, like this. And we just line up the dowels with those. And then we can go ahead and put in the bolts with our Allen key. All right, once we've got those in, we're good to move on. We hope this video was helpful for you in assembling your new nightstand. For more tips, tricks, and guides, go to walkeredison.com.